What's up, we're Zuniga here at Station 77 in Fontana. You can see Station 77. Today we're going to talk about the PAS system, personal alarm safety system, mainly used on SCBA's self-contained breathing apparatus. Go over the device manually. And we'll have an interview on a specialist, an engineer who fixes devices, reassigns devices, and make sure they work. Here we are showing you the PAS system, personal alarm safety system. Here it is. Your Sentinel PAS system. Remember, Sentinel PAS system. This whole piece. SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus. Your input on the system. Your ISO button, now standard and universal to other systems. Here we have your meter to show you if you're low on air, high on air. Currently turned off, as you can see, on 0. Also glows in the dark. As you can hear, we have a call, displayed gauges. Firefighter Martinez, asking him a couple questions. First question would be, any experience with the PAS system?
So, I've been really lucky that I haven't had to use the PAS system and the personal alarm system for rescue, for being needed in rescue, like in a fire. If it comes to that point and your life is relying on that one mechanism, that's like your last chance, and you're in a pretty bad spot. So I haven't been in that spot. My experience with it has been mostly through drills and training, which is very important. RIC training, they use the PAS system, and where you would go into a building and you would hear the PAS, someone downed firefighter's PAS alarm go off. And even though it's dark, even though you can just hear it kind of like a faint a whistle, you can be on a different floor, and most of the times in different manufacturers are different, but you can hear that thing so loud that you can find your way to it just by the tone. So it's very effective, and I'm glad to have them on RBAs.
Okay.
So that's all the experience I have with it.
Sounds good. Next question. How do you like the present pass system?
The one on RBA is called, involved in the part of RBA has a kind of a little computer on it, and it's called the Sentinel. And the Sentinel has a lot of different functions all in one. It operates as a pass system. It operates as a low alarm whistle, and also it lets you know how much time you have left on your bottle, how you're breathing. It's a temperature gauge and a bunch of other things. So when the BA is activated, it automatically turns itself on, and I like that feature of it. Because some of the older pass systems, you have to turn on your BA, and then it was up to the firefighter to remember to reach down on his belt and to push a button to turn it on. So, that's left open to like human error.